6:53, time for the morning sprint.
Senator Ron Johnson will be visiting Fort McCoy this afternoon. He'll be joined by other local lawmakers and Army officials to be briefed on the preparations of the base for refugees. The base will be used as temporary housing for families fleeing Afghanistan.
We'll also be hearing from Senator Tammy Baldwin today. She's in town, joined by Senator Amy Klobuchar of Minnesota. They'll be talking with Governor Evers about how to protect voting rights. We'll have more information on that later today on our website.
UW System Interim President Tommy Thompson says he will not submit COVID safety policies to the legislature. Republicans had passed a law 3 weeks ago that all UW campuses have to send in their policies for approval before classes begin. Thompson says he's concerned lawmakers will overturn the protocols and that he's preparing to go to court over the issue.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services says Monday was the deadliest day for COVID-19 in the state in more than half a year. The department recorded 21 deaths Monday. The last time the number was that high was February 23rd. Cases also rising with more than 2,100 added in one day, the highest since mid-January.
Protesters outside Gunderson Health System in LaCrosse say the hospital should not mandate vaccines for workers. Gunderson's policy says all workers must be vaccinated by November 1st or they will be terminated. It's a similar policy that healthcare providers across the state have issued. People at the protest say getting the vaccine should be a choice they make with their doctor.
AIRBNB wants to put a temporary roof over the heads of 20,000 Afghan refugees. They say they'll be picking up the bill with help from its nonprofit. The company says they want to help in one of the biggest humanitarian crises of our time. It's not announced the length of the program or if they will help with long-term housing.
The Bucks signing head coach Mike Budenholzer to a multi-year contract extension. In 3 seasons with Milwaukee, Coach Bud has led the Deer to their first NBA championship in 50 years. He has 162 wins in the regular season, 31 postseason victories, both league highs during the 3-year span. ESPN is reporting the extension is a 3-year deal, which would keep him with the franchise through the 2024-25 season.
Tickets to see Alabama this weekend, if you have them. Some bad news here. The Country Rock Act has had to reschedule their Friday night show to January. A member of their team has tested positive with COVID-19, and out of caution, they're rescheduling. The show will still be at the Alliant Energy Center, but it will be on January 14th. Tickets will automatically be honored for the new date.
We've been tracking some showers and thunderstorms south and west of Wisconsin this morning. A lot of these are over Iowa, and they're really starting to weaken as they progress their way eastward. Here in southern Wisconsin, we should stay dry as we go throughout the day. But even still, we're going to keep the slight chance of a shower around because for at least a couple of you, the atmosphere is prime enough that a shower or storm goes up. We'll top out around 88 to 90 later on this afternoon. Better storm chance arrives as we start to move into tomorrow, perhaps coming our direction in multiple rounds. We've got to keep a very close eye on it.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. Thanks for joining us this morning, folks. Have a great day. Taking that view out of the National Crane Foundation. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning.